How to fix Star Wars Squadrons crashing on Windows. 1. Run Star Wars Squadrons as an administrator. Like this. 2. Verify the integrity of your game files. 2.1. If you're playing on Steam. 2.2. If you're playing on Origin, Pat, My Game Library Settings. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Turn off overlays. 4.1. On Steam, 4.2 on Origin, uncheck Enable Origin in-game for Star Wars Squadrons. Pat, My Game Library Star Wars Squadron Settings Game Properties. 4.3. On GeForce Experience, disable in-game overlay. 5. Adjust the graphics settings. See details below. Full screen mode, windowed or borderless. Volume trick quality, medium or low. Sub-options under advanced settings, low or medium. 6. Uninstall then reinstall the game.